So, hi guys, I'm about to break my 21-hour intermittent fasting with this buko juice na binili kaninang umaga and freeze muna kasi pumunta pa ako sa work. Ayan, isalin ko na lang siya dito. Hindi kasi pasok sa fasting yung buko juice. Anyway, this is a pure buko juice. Ayan. So, kung nagpa-fasting kayo, huwag muna kayong inom ng buko juice. Kahit pure pa yan kasi herbs yun. And kung hindi nyo pa siya maiinom, i-freeze nyo muna siya. Really good. Really good. Very natural. And still whole food. And ito naman yung meat niya. Kind of mature na siya. Good source of fat. Amen. So happy na na-achieve ko na naman ngayon yung mahabang fasting. And kayo, kaya nyo din yun. Really enjoying it. Iba yung feeling ng nakakapag-fasting ka. Feeling mo yung pakaramdam na parang angat ka. Kasi kaya mo yun. Kaya mong disiplinahin yung sarili mo. Ganun. And we all know naman that fasting is not just burning fats. It's cleansing and healing. Yan, yun yung pinaka-target ko doon, yung healing. So, yun lang. Maraming benefits ang fasting. I-search nyo sa Google. Very, very good ang fasting, guys. Pag-aralan nyo yan.